Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi lahat ay makaka-resonate. If this reading is not for you, do not make it fit. Just leave it for a friend. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Leo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay, for some of you, merong biyahe or travel. Will be attending seminars and trainings abroad or other provinces. You are very determined to succeed sa trabaho mo or sa career mo. Determinado ka. Whatever challenges na parating sa inyo, willing kayo ma-overcome, willing kayo harapin yun at ma-overcome yun. With the knowledge, wisdom, and skills that you have. King of Cups, merong taong may magandang puso, willing tumulong sa inyo, okay? Giving you advice. Maybe this is a mentor, okay? Willing for you to be successful, magka-guide sa inyo. Okay. Merong victory na mangyayari sa inyo, Leo. Maybe will be publicly known. Okay. Maybe you are launching something, a project, passion project, creative project. Okay. You are determined to finish or to succeed sa ginagawa ninyo, Leo. Okay? But deep inside, meron kang mga iniisip or nararamdaman na hindi maganda. Maybe someone is doing something against you. Okay? May ginagawang hindi maganda sa inyo. Very active ang inyong intuition, nararamdaman ninyo, Leo. Merong inggit, kasama na dyan yung inggit. Merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo, Leo. Okay? Transformation. Pwedeng spiritually, the way you think, yung mindset ninyo. From negative mindset, now you're turning it positively. May bagong buhay na darating sa inyo and you are looking for it. You are waiting for it, Leo. Okay? Merong abundance. Meron kayong abundance na inaantay or na darating sa inyo, Leo. Ito ay nararamdaman mo na to? Yes. Exactly. Okay. Things will move forward para sa inyo. Okay? You will be completing a project successfully and that you will have confidence in yourself. Yung mga challenges or mga distraction sa inyo, you will be able to overcome it. Fortune is on your side, Leo. Okay? For some of you, welcome to apologize. Okay? Someone wants to make things right with you, Leo. Siguro merong ibang tao na may ginawang hindi maganda sa inyo. And now, ayaw sa inyo, and now they want you. Okay? Justice will be given to you. Fairness will be given to you. merong pagpaplano or discussion about the future. For some of you, you are doing an excellent job in your work, okay? You are very talented and skilled. May discussion about the promotion, okay, or salary raise. Merong makakatanggap ng salary increase. Pinag-uusapan. Ang inyong promotion, okay? Change of job title, Leo. Yeah, may mga taong naiinggit sa'yo or hindi gusto yung nangyayari sa inyo na maganda. Okay? May mga iba't ibang opinion, lahat gustong umangat, lahat gusto ma-promote, okay? They want your position, Leo. Iba-iba yung mga opinion na binabato, nagpapakitang gilas, okay, sa trabaho. You have a lot of plans, okay? Marami kang planong gawin, puntahan, marami kang gustong bilhin, pero ngayon nasa planning stage ka, parang iniisip mo pa kung paano gagawin yun. Nagpaplano ka na siguro itinerary. Okay? You are looking forward to travel, Leo. You will get the freedom that you need. Okay? Wala kang takot sa sarili because you know that you have the talent, the skills, the capabilities, that you can do things on your own or independently. You will take your chances. Be careful lang sa mga desisyon. Huwag magpadalos-dalos, Leo. Kailangan pa rin pag-isipan. Okay? Calculated risk. You have to know that. Okay? Kailangan mo munang alamin yung mga advantages at disadvantages before you proceed. Yeah. May kasaganahan na parating sa inyo, sa family nyo. You feel complete, okay? Lahat ng hard work ninyo will be paid off, okay? Merong celebration na mangyayari, kasiyahan. For some of you will be getting married, looking forward to get married. Okay, merong celebration na mangyayari, happiness, Leo. Okay? Merong success sa project na ginagawa ninyo. Maybe for some of you, you will be completing that project, that task. Okay? Marami kayong challenges na pinagdaanan, okay? And you will be, you succeed na overcome mo yung mga pagsubok na yon. Okay, congratulations to you, Leo. Although nandyan yung mga conflicts, okay, may mga taong merong competition na nangyayari, merong hindi gusto sa ginagawa ninyo or sa nangyayari sa inyo. But then, you are full of confidence on yourself, okay? Because you know that you can do it. You will be successful. Okay, you just have to plan ahead, plan carefully sa mga susunod mong gagawin. Okay. Take the calculated risk to protect yourself, Leo. Rest assured, merong success kang matatanggap, okay? Happiness, promotion, salary raise. Pinag-uusapan ngayon, maybe in the upper management, higher management. They will be discussing about your promotion, on how to elevate you. Okay? Maybe you will be traveling, ipapadala ka sa ibang bansa for a seminar, for a training. Okay? Let us see ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. For Leo. Dragon. Beware of self-delusion. Okay. Be careful on that, Leo. Needle and thread. A sincere wish will be granted. Okay. Ano ba yung mga wish ninyo, Leo? Okay. Just have that patience. Hard work, patience ang kailangan para makamit ninyo yung gusto ninyo sa trabaho. Rabbit. Too much concern with sexual matters. For some of you, may mga issues about sexual matters. Don't be. Diamond. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Okay, maybe someone will give you a present, okay? Something valuable na magugustuhan mo at masisiyan ka. Finger. Warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. Okay, so beware of that, Leo. Sorrow over a loss. Okay. Wreath. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Be strong, Leo. Okay. Believe in yourself. Trust your intuition. And have faith that everything will be okay. More message, please, for Leo. No matter how much you are being tested or pushed right now, stand your ground and push back. Believe in your own integrity and self-worth so much that no one can get you in your way. Okay? Have the confidence to move forward. You can and will do this. Okay? So that's the message for you, Leo. Have faith in yourself. Okay? Trust yourself. Okay? Believe that you can do it because you can. You do. Thank you so much. So, yun na yung message sa inyo, Leo. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.